guys. Today we are going to be learning about the fourth topic, our fourth animal kingdom group, and it's called insects. Now, I don't have a book about it, but I did add 2 videos on YouTube about insects so that you can learn by yourself. And I'm going to just teach you a little bit about what I know about insects. Now, the first thing we want to know about insects, this is the simple animal kingdom. It says what animals are invertebrates and what animals are vertebrates. Vertebrates have a backbone. That means that bones on the inside and they have a spine. So we find, that's vertebrates. Vertebrates have a bone and they have a spine. Bones on the inside. Invertebrates either don't have any bones, or we're gonna find out. So here we find that the invertebrates are worms, snails, spiders, and insects. So insects don't have a skeleton or bones on the inside. They have the bones on the outside. And that's called an exoskeleton. Say exoskeleton. Very nice. Now, that means that it's not that they have bones on the outside, it's more like a shell. So the shell protects all of their special organs that are inside, their lungs, their stomach, their heart, their liver, everything that's on the inside is being protected by a shell. So, which means that sometimes if you ever step on an insect and it sounds crunchy, it's because you just squished their exoskeleton on the outside. So first thing, they are invertebrates because they have a skeleton on the outside, not on the inside. The second thing I want you to know is that insects are cold-blooded. They are not warm like us mammals. They are cold-blooded. They need to be in the sun to be warm. The other thing I want you to know is that insects have 6 limbs. Say 6 limbs. They have 1, and then they have another one coming out like from here, and then they have this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. But they have an extra 2 coming out from here. And so let me show you, I'm going to show you something. I have something for you. I've got to find it inside my bucket. I have something cool to show you. Oh, these are my fly glasses. Now, these are my fly glasses. Some insects, like flies, have very cool eyes that have many facets. So they can see many, like many Mrs. Rodriguez says, or many of you. Every insect has some kind of a superpower, and you have to find out what kind of superpower each insect has. So insects are invertebrates. Insects have 6 limbs. Sometimes insects have a very special job or a very special superpower that they can do. Like flies can see many things at the same time. Something else that I want you to know is that they have 3 major body parts. And for that, I have a song. Are you ready? On my cool glasses. Here we go. Ooh, I cannot see you, but it's head, thorax, abdomen. I have to take them off. I can't see. Okay, let me put you away. Can you see me? No, you can't. You can't see me. You need to further. Okay. Woo. I'm still not there. Okay, let me do it from over here. Let's see if you can see me there. Okay. So it's head, thorax, abdomen, head, thorax, abdomen, Eyes, antenna, limbs are 6. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. So they have a head, then they have a thorax where their limbs are coming out of. It's kind of like a second circle. And then their abdomen. Their abdomen is where all their stomach guts are and where the food goes when they eat it. And that's where they develop their, that's where most of them have, they digest their food. And then they have to go poop. It's science. Let's see if I can find them on this one. This is head, thorax, that's where all the limbs are coming out of, and it's abdomen. Do you see it? And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 limbs. Got it? Let's see. Here's a fly. You can kind of see head and a little thorax, abdomen. Some have wings, right? Okay. This one, the head is really tiny, thorax, big abdomen. Now, so I want us to think about these things. What covering does it have? It has an exoskeleton. How do they have babies? They lay eggs. How do they move? They can jump, they can run, they can walk. Jump, run, walk. It all depends on the insect. Some can fly, some cannot fly. Food, well, there's plant eaters, herbivores, and there's carnivores, other bugs that eat smaller bugs, right? So that will help us when we write for our Animal Kingdom page 4. Okay, so please watch the videos on YouTube about insects so you can learn more. And if you are excited about insects, then keep looking for more videos and find a special insect that you like a praying mantis, because they have a very swift way of catching their food. Okay, bye.